Hello guys and welcome to World of Apps. In this video I'll show you how you can do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, I want to tell you what it means. So it means that you have to post a photo with you pregnant, because August is the month of pregnant women. So first of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen on your Instagram app and then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. From here, you will have to go to August, add yours at highlights, which is here. And now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. And you can also check my other viral trends if you like. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you the tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo with you pregnant. I will go with this one. This is not me, but I will do it just for the sticker. So now you have to share this with your friends. So guys, if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram profile, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights, which is here. And you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click that if you are not able to click on the others button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.